All right, so this is my room at the Sheraton in Hsinchu. Stick my card in the wall. All the lights turn on. Very cool. Air comes on. I get the sense that this country is a lot more energy efficient focused than America, like where all the lights are just left on, but I like it. Everything's labeled. Just so different from what I'm used to, but the bathroom is nice. Can't get used to that. Got the rain shower and a jacuzzi. Just a soaker, but that's awesome. This is me after flying for like 16 hours, thriving. It's like 5 a.m. on my body's clock. There's a toilet in the bathroom. I don't even know what that does. We got like the most fancy extra bidet that's literally plugged into the wall. And in here, some bougie slippers, a shoe basket. I guess, I don't know, is it like, I should probably get in the practice of taking my shoes off. And then robes. And this is my home for the next 49 nights. Could get used to this. It's outside. Absolutely nothing. I am on the 15th floor, so it's kind of hard to see anything, but yeah, not bad.